just another quick video. So, like I said, I use my screwdriver and I just bend this forward until it gets past that plastic there. There we go. Until it gets past there, and once it rests, I just come down the track. Same thing there, same thing there, and then the last one, and then this whole thing just kind of drops right in place. And that's how it's pretty that simple, really. A lot of people make that part a little harder and say you got to remove extra things, but you don't have to do anything with the plugs. Just take the cap off so it'll slide in and out. And then these just plug right in there. Just slides right in, and then that's it. Screw it back together. Put the cap back on so I can fasten this back down. So to put the cap, just put this in first. And just that's it. Just push it in. Put the screws, and that's it. Just put the screws in, and we're all done. Thank you for watching my videos.